Now let me show you the connection effect of OCS3FS. This is OCS3FS, which connects to the solenoid valve and the display screen. Connect adapter first. There are 6 red buttons on the display. The leftmost buttons move the cursor up and down. The middle two buttons increase or decrease the value. Button 3 is not usable. There is no function. Button 6 is to enter the adjustment mode and retain the adjusted data. On the screen, this is the oxygen concentration. This is how the sensor works. 0 is off mode. 1 is pulse mode. 2 is direct supply mode. And 3 is fixed pulse mode. This is the gas flow. When we set it to pulse mode, the pulse flow rate is displayed here in milliliters, that is, the volume of a single vent. When we switch to direct supply mode, it shows continuous flow in liters. Then there is the gas supply gear, which is usually 1 to 6. This is the respiratory rate in Hz. Below is the number of jets per minute at a fixed frequency, in parts per million. After entering the fixed pulse mode, we adjust this value to adjust the respiratory frequency. For example, if we adjust it to 15 ppm, the respiratory frequency becomes 15 Hz. If we go to 10 ppm, that becomes 10 Hz. Go to 35 ppm, that becomes 35 Hz. This is the temperature, which is currently 27 degrees Celsius. This is the sensitivity. The value range is 2 to 12. The smaller the value, the higher the sensitivity. The bottom half of the screen is the concentration and flow adjustment. Press 6 button to enter synchronous adjustment mode. P stands for increase, M stands for decrease. For example, here concam represents a decrease in concentration, and then we increase the value to conc P, 0.07%, which means an increase in concentration of 0.07%. The undrawn rate means the modified data is not saved, and edge means it is saved. After modifying the desired data, click the 6 button again to save the data, which is displayed as edge. Concentration adjustment regardless of mode, but the flow adjustment is divided into continuous flow and pulse flow. P flow stands for pulse flow, C flow stands for continuous flow. Continuous flow is multiplied by a coefficient. For example, multiply the flow by 1.00. Pulse flow is adjusted by increasing or decreasing the value. Here M means decrease. We increase the data. Tune to P0009 milliliters. It means increase the flow by 9 milliliters. Then click the 6 button to save. If there is no breathing for 30 seconds in pulse mode, the sensor will automatically enter fixed pulse mode.